Hello guys, how are you doing? And today I'm going to show you how can you change your Shopify theme. All you have to do is follow these quick and easy steps. So the first thing you need to do is open your Shopify dashboard here. Click on online store. And as you can see in the menu, you have to click on themes. And as you can see right now, I have Dawn theme and I just edited right now. And as you can see, it is 10.00 as it is the latest version. You can also view its release notes from here and you can check if this is the latest version. But that's what not the video is about. So now I'm going to show you how can you change it. So what you need to do is click on add theme here and you can do visit theme store. You can also scroll down and you can see all these popular free themes, which I'm going to show you how can you add one of them. So let's just try adding craft. Click on it and just press on add. And as you can see, my theme is right now installing. And I'm going to show you the other way through the theme library. And now I'm going to search here for craft. Click on it. And as you can see, it even shows how the theme will look in my preview. So now what you have to do is click on try theme. And it will automatically be adding craft to your online theme store. And now as you can see, by both method I just added craft from the theme library and from the theme store. So once you have done that, you need to click on publish, and now you just need to click on this button publish, and that's basically it. Now my theme is changed, as you can see. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.